To check for violations in your Dasher app, you need to navigate through a specific path. Start by opening your profile section. In the Account Details section, look for the Ratings area to monitor your key performance metrics, and check the Deactivation Policy section for any violation alerts. Here's what the Ratings dashboard looks like in the actual app. You can see all your key metrics displayed clearly. There are critical thresholds you must maintain to avoid deactivation. Your completion rate must stay above 80%, and your customer rating must remain at 4.2 or higher. DoorDash has introduced an enhanced violation tracking dashboard that provides real-time notifications when violations occur, giving you immediate awareness of any issues. Here's an example of what a violation notification looks like. The app clearly explains what happened and warns about future consequences. Several types of violations can lead to deactivation. These include performance issues like low completion rates, policy violations such as fraud, safety concerns, and inappropriate conduct. DoorDash now uses artificial intelligence to detect unusual patterns in driver behavior. The system also considers external factors like weather conditions and restaurant delays when assessing potential violations. When you receive a violation notice from DoorDash, your immediate response is critical. The first 48 hours determine your chances of successful appeal. Step 1. Document everything immediately. Take screenshots of the violation notice, your delivery history, and any relevant app screens. Step 2. Gather supporting evidence. Collect GPS data, photos of delivery locations, and any communication records with customers or restaurants. Step 3. Submit your appeal within 48 hours. This timeframe is crucial for the best chance of success. DoorDash has streamlined their appeals process significantly. Response times have improved from 5 to 7 days down to just 2 to 3 days average. The appeal process now includes enhanced evidence submission capabilities and better consideration of external factors like weather or restaurant delays. Prevention is always better than appeals. Daily monitoring of your performance metrics is essential for avoiding violations in the first place. Monitor your completion rate and customer ratings daily. Address any customer concerns immediately and maintain professional communication at all times. If your initial appeal is denied, you have several alternative resolution paths available through DoorDash support systems. Start with DoorDash support chat for immediate assistance. For complex cases, use email appeals with detailed explanations and evidence. Remember, documentation and prompt action are your best tools for successful violation appeals. Stay proactive with daily monitoring to prevent issues before they occur.